Crisp air, warm textures, and modern elegance. Autumn verandas reimagined. No cliches, just pure sophistication. Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we're redefining seasonal outdoor living. Today, we're exploring modern rustic veranda designs that capture the essence of fall without resorting to stereotypes. We'll discover how to blend contemporary style with the inviting spirit of autumn, creating outdoor retreats that seamlessly transition between summer's warmth and winter's approach. Before we dive in, take a moment to subscribe and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss our fresh takes on seasonal design. Now, let's explore these autumn-inspired spaces together. Modern rustic autumn verandas often feature partially covered spaces with exposed wooden elements. Think slanted roofs with dark-stained beams, creating a sense of warmth and shelter. Large windows or sliding doors can blur the line between indoors and out, inviting the crisp autumn air to mingle with interior warmth. For flooring, consider wide planks in weathered, warm gray tones. This sets the stage for the modern rustic theme, blending contemporary design with natural elements. Seating in these spaces typically combines comfort with clean lines. Low-profile sectionals in rich, autumnal leather tones offer both modern appeal and seasonal warmth. Oversized woven chairs can create cozy reading nooks, perfect for enjoying the crisp fall air. Anchor these areas with sleek coffee tables that marry metal and wood, celebrating the natural beauty of live-edge tops while maintaining a contemporary silhouette. Textiles play a crucial role in autumn veranda design. Think plush throw pillows in deep oranges, burgundies, and forest greens, adding seasonal color without overt theming. Chunky knit blankets in warm neutrals invite cozy moments on cool evenings. Underfoot, large area rugs with abstract patterns in autumn hues can add warmth and tie the space together, evoking thoughts of swirling fall leaves. Lighting in modern rustic autumn verandas often layers different elements for flexibility and ambiance. Oversized pendant lights with warm-toned bulbs can cast a soft glow, while sleek floor lamps offer targeted illumination for reading or conversations. Consider hidden LED strips for subtle, ambient lighting. Small water features can add a soothing background sound, complementing the natural acoustics of the season. Greenery in these spaces often embraces the changing seasons. Tall, ornamental grasses in large planters sway in autumn breezes, while evergreen shrubs provide year-round structure. Hanging planters with trailing vines, some leaves turning to autumn hues, celebrate the transitional nature of the season. Stacked firewood can serve as both functional storage and a decorative element, adding texture and a connection to nature. Modern fire pits or fire tables often become the heart of autumn verandas, offering warmth and a gathering point on cool evenings. Accent these spaces with touches of copper or brass for a luxurious feel. Large, abstract metal wall sculptures in warm tones can evoke thoughts of autumn winds and changing leaves, adding artistic flair to the rustic setting. Let's take a closer look at some stunning examples of modern rustic verandas that perfectly capture the essence of autumn. From inviting seating areas to elegant lighting solutions, these designs highlight the seamless blend of contemporary style with seasonal charm, offering inspiration for your own outdoor spaces. As we conclude our exploration of modern rustic autumn veranda design, reflect on how these spaces celebrate fall through color, texture, and natural materials while maintaining contemporary elegance. We hope these ideas inspire you to think beyond traditional autumn decor, showing how you can create sophisticated seasonal retreats that transition beautifully through the year. If you've enjoyed this journey into autumn sophistication, don't forget to like and share this video. Remember, autumn design doesn't have to rely on cliches. It's about creating spaces as invigorating as the crisp fall air. Until next time, may your outdoor spaces be sources of comfort and joy as the seasons change. Keep designing and keep pushing those boundaries.